When spinning the wires like that, does it not cause the inside of the wire to tear apart, causing an open circuit? There's nothing wrong with spinning wires. They do this from the factory. A twisted pair of wires make it easy to identify certain wires in the vehicle, like speaker wires, data wires, CAN wires. It can also make it easier to run more than one wire to the same location, and could possibly help reduce noise or any type of interference. But there is a right and wrong way to do it. So first we want to grab the chuck and make sure the drill's in its lowest position. Then we want to grab our pair of wire, make sure they're equal length, and put it all the way down in the bottom. Grab the chuck again, go into the other position, slow at first because we want to make sure our wire stays perfectly in the middle. I like doing it that way because it gives me a little bit more room to actually make my connections, because if we do it right at the top, then it's going to automatically start twisting and then we're going to have to unravel it, and then that makes no sense. If you have a short run, you can make your stopping point at the end of the wires. Just make sure that you leave some room to make your connection. For longer runs, or if you just want to be hands-free, I like to use the same concept, but I want to find a place to where I can actually tie a knot somewhere, and then we can just start spinning. So you don't want to go too fast. You want to go ahead and spin slow, because notice my drill is getting closer to the wall. The more we twist, the more we tighten, makes our twisted pair shorter. So make sure you take that into consideration, because we literally need just enough. If you do too much, it will get knotted up, and then you will eventually break the wire. So yes, it will break, but only if you twist it too much. This is your boy JP signing out. Have a blessed day. Peace.